Hello everyone. In continuation to our SolidWorks sketch tool series, I will solve this exercise. This is drawing number 5. Okay. This you will see there are the two circles here, 36 and 58 dia, and these outer circles are of all of 25 dia. Inner circle this and this are of 12 dia. First I will make these circles 58 and 36 at a distance of this one. This is I will make. Center line I will draw the center line. Center line is very useful in allocating the dimensions. Okay, first I will make these two circles 36 and 58. Let's start. File, new, part, this one. This interface comes. Now background I am taking plain white as usual, and this unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. You can take any other system as per your requirement. I am taking this, click future tree manager, select the top plane, click this sketch, and now I am in sketch environment. Okay, now first I draw the two circle here. Always try to start the dimension sketch from the origin. This one, right click, select out of the sketch. Now first select this circle, shift this circle, make relation concentric. Okay, now give the dimension. This is 58 dia. This is 36 dia. Okay, this is 36, this is 58. And now draw a center line, this one, from here. This center line, when you see the yellow box, vertical line, click, right click, select out. Now draw two circle here. This circles at a distance of 130 mm. This one and this one, two circle. Right click, and this one, shift, select this circle, shift this circle, make relation concentric. Okay, now sketch is not fully defined. Smart dimension, give the dimension. This is 25 mm outer dia. Outer dia 25, and this is 12 mm. Okay, sketch is now not fully defined because I have not given this dimension. Center point and center point of this circle, this is 130 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. All are in black color. Okay, when the sketch is fully defined, all the sketch will be in black color, and dimension also in the black color. Properly arrange this dimension. Okay, now if you see the drawing, here, you will see this. I will make this circle first. This is 25 mm, all inner are 12 mm. Okay, no, I will first make this construction line at an angle of 30 degree, and this arc is of 70 mm radius. Okay, then I will draw these two circles, 12 mm and 25 mm. Okay, window, sketch. Now center line, draw from here, center line here. This one, right click, out. Now carefully note, I give the dimension. Select this line and this point, this center point, click. Now you will get the 4 direction arrow. You want that angle here, then you click this arrow. If you want the angle here, you click this arrow. Okay, I am clicking this downward. This is 30 degree angle. Okay, now this is 30 degree. Now I will mirror this one. Mirror this line, make sure copy should be checked. Mirror about this one. Mirror this one. Now select this point, shift, and this point, make relation horizontal. Okay, this one. Now make a arc, center point arc here. Center point arc, this center, first point this one, and second point this one. Right click, out. Select this and make construction. This is construction. Sketch is not fully defined. because I have not given dimension. This one, this is 70 mm. 70 mm dimension. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now make two circle here. This one and this one. Right click out. Select this circle, shift this circle, concentric. This one. Okay. Now give the dimension. This is 12 mm. This is 25 mm. Okay. This is. Sketch is still fully defined. Okay. Now if you see your drawing, this one, there is a one tangent line here touching this outer circle and this circle, outer circle. Now I will make this one. And then I will make this circle, this arc. I will make this arc with the help of a circle. Later on I will trim this one. Now draw a line. When you see this relation, this symbol, click, and when you see the tangent symbol, then click, right click, out. Okay. Now make a circle here. Initially don't make any relation. You will see there one relation in catching. No, out of this one and make a circle here. Right click, out. Select this circle and this circle, tangent. This circle and this circle, tangent. Now give the dimension to this circle. This is 54 shift star 2. This is 108 dia. Okay. Sketch is still fully defined. Now I will trim. Now one circle is left. You will see here this one. One circle is here, this one. This is middle one. This is tangent to this circle and this circle. This 25 mm dia circle. Then later on I will trim this one. This is 28.50. This circle and this circle. I will draw a circle tangent to these two circles. Okay. Here in this line, mid of this one. How circle, when you see the intersection point, click, give a small circle here. Right click, first make a tangent here. Select this circle, shift this circle, tangent relation. This circle, shift, and this circle, tangent relation. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined here. Okay. Now I will trim it. Now carefully trim this thing. This, if you see, this is coming sketch in this way. This and this and this, in this way and this way. Now trim. I am selecting trim to closest. First I will trim this. Okay. Now it going in this way. This and this. I trim this one. This and this one. Okay. And sketch is because going in this way. Now trim this one. Okay. Now, okay. One more thing, this one, this, now this. Okay. One thing more left. Now I will make the mirror. Mirror, how mirror? Mirror point, mirror entity. This line, first this line, this arc, this semicircle, this one and this one and this one. Okay. This line, this and this, about center line. This one. Sketch is still fully defined. Okay. Now one thing is left. Trim this and this. Now I think almost I have completed all the things. So this sketch is fully defined. The sketch is in black color. If you see the sketch here, you will see this circle, this circle, this. I have completely in order to make the fully defined sketch, always try to from origin point. Okay, and give the necessary dimension. Don't give the unnecessary dimension in order to avoid the over defined the sketch. Okay, in this way you can make the sketch fully defined. After some practice you will be in position to make this fully defined sketch, because in fully defined sketch this is very useful when we simulate the product. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. You can pan the drawing, press Ctrl key and press middle mouse button. This one. Press Ctrl key and press middle roller button and then drag it. In this way you can arrange the drawing as per your requirement. Okay. Now thank you very much.